Hey everyone, Stephanie back from gardening at Riverside. I am still cleaning out my plant room and I am currently procrastinating starting seeds. So we're going to do this instead today. I have a bunch of spider plants that have pups, so I'm going to go ahead and try and get those rooted, as well as take some cuttings from some begonias, as well as take some cuttings from succulents. Today I'm just using trays from Greenhouse Megastore. I buy them in bulk there. They're just a 4-count pack. They come like this before you separate them into 4 counts, as well as a heavy duty tray. So one tray, one quick look, laying them flat, just like that. No problem. And let's get everything potted up. I forgot the soil. First things first, put some potting soil in our tray. Will definitely need more soil as I'm planting these, so I will keep this close by as I need it. And I think I'm going to start with the pups here first, and then whatever room I have left, I'll take cuttings of other plants to get them rooted. So this process is incredibly simple, not a whole lot different than the last cuttings we were taking. At this point, we are pretty much just cutting the pups off the mother plant and putting them in soil. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to dome them to assist with root development and just keep the moisture really nice in the soil. And we'll do everything else, but we're going to start here with my plants here. I'll probably speed this up, throw some music over it. No big deal, but you can kind of catch the idea. A spider plant puts off piece like this, and on here there are, I don't know, 10 pups, and each individual pup can then be potted up and become an entire plant. So I'm going to do that. Just like I said the other day, I use the other plants as fillers in my pots for the summer. I use these as fillers as well. So I'll plant the pups, I'll clean these up, and I'll put them back in the plant room where they lived. next plant that I want to take cuttings of is this beautiful one. I used it a lot last year. It's unique. I don't often see them with these markings on them. So I'm going to take a couple cuttings there, maybe 4 or so, fill up a 4-pack with them and kind of move on. I do have some more plants I want to take off of. So when I do these, I don't worry too much. I have kind of a nice little section down here. You can either take a cutting that has a node and pot it like this, or I can take 1, 2, 3, 4 and be done. And there's another node up here. I don't need that piece. And these will root really easily as well. So just pop the leaves down in there. And that will be it for this one. And as this plant continues to put on more growth, I'll continue to take more cuttings. I could probably take more off right now, but I think I have enough to have a good start. This beauty is my next target. Okay. This one is beautiful. It's getting a little lanky, so I'll probably take it down to, just took that one. Take it down to there on both sides, and then we'll just fill up the pots. So like it grows well, so with that chocolate seed, I'll take them out. Last year we were sure there's cuttings in Begonia, so we're going to over some. And I just cuttings, and I was blown away how easy it was to the soil. So I'll probably do this over here. See, when you start going down this section, maybe like this, it's like, I don't know, it's long, and I'll have great growth, so come on. Pop off. Put that all over. These ones. Just look them out real quick. That was one pop of branch. So by the time 12 cuttings, 12 potential new plants out of that one top. So the next one that I want to take some off of, set this back over where it was, is string of pickles. This tag I know is right. It's the only plant that's ever been in this pot. String of pickles. I'll put a photo of that tag up in there. This one's looking a little rough. It's been living in my kitchen, but succulents are super easy. So if I were to just take, honestly, every one of these could be a new plant. I just take a little piece here, drop it down in the soil, and that will turn into an entirely new string of pickles. So we'll water those in, dome them, and put them with the rest of the cuttings that we took. But I do want to do a quick check on these roots. Let's see. You can hold your plant like that. It doesn't fall out. That's a specialty trick. Here. Feels, yep. Feels rip bound. This stuff feels fine though. So it looks like it's just got girdled a little bit around the outside. So I will toss this because this is likely done for. Okay, let me slightly larger. I will need to find a new tray for it though. Won't fit on my windowsill anymore in the one that it's in. Original plant that I purchased here, I purchased from an FFA sale. It was the students' supervised agricultural activity, or SAE, for the year. They grew succulents. That was their project. And honestly, I wish I knew about such a cool project when I was in high school. I had like sheep and beef cattle for my SAE. So very different world. I wish I would have gotten into gardening plants earlier in my life. Oh, this guy is just about tucked in. It should be done. I have a mess. Trying to home for some of this stuff. See if we have a home in this planter for some of it. It will probably need a little extra love during the time when it is trying to put on roots. But I think it'll be fine for the most part. And I could probably get out a whole nother tray and start a whole nother tray of these. And I might do that. I'd have to go get more soil, but let's see what we can tuck in this one. We can tuck a few more over here. There we go. We'll clean this up. We'll be done for the day. There's a task I've been putting off for longer than I'd like to admit. See you next time.